Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what the Farmer Chipmunk does in Grow a Garden. So I just got the Farmer Chipmunk from opening the Nutty Chest. So basically, the only trait, it is a common pet, so the only trait right now is that it makes all nutty type plants grow 1.56 times faster. So all the nutty plants right now that we have is the acorn squash, coconut, hazelnut, and pecan. So just plant a lot of coconuts. Honestly, I think it's the most worth it plant still to date. For some reasons, every event, the coconut is always like the one that basically makes everything easier. So I'm just going to take out one of my pets here. Let's take out the grizzly bear and place the farmer chipmunk here. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!